Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to jailbreak the PS4 from version 9.0 to 13.0 using some brand new methods. So let's get started. First, head over to settings and make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet. Once that's done, open up the PS4 internet browser and go to the exploit site. On the top left side, you'll see the jailbreak option. Click on it. And wait for the cache process to complete. After that, click on the jailbreak option again. Now it's time to plug your USB into the PS4. Once you've done that, click OK. And the jailbreak will start automatically. As you can see, the PS4 is now successfully jailbroken. Head back and you'll notice the GoldHEN menu is now available. Let's test out a game real quick, and as you can see, everything is working perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.